to be or not to be? That is the question. Whether it is nobler in the minds to suffer the slings and arrows of outrageous fortune, or to take arms against a sea of troubles, and by opposing, end them, to die, to sleep no more, and by a sleep to say we end the heartaches and the thousand natural shocks that flesh is heir to. 'Tis a consummation devoutly to be wished, to die, to sleep perchance to dream. Aye, there's the rub. For in that sleep of death, what dreams may come when we have shuffled off this mortal coil must give us pause. There's the respect that makes calamity of so long life. For who would bear the whips and scorns of time, the oppressor's wrong, the proud man's contumely, the pangs of disprized love, the laws delayed, the insolence of office, the spurns that patient merit of thy unworthy takes, when he himself might his quietus make with the bare bodkin? Who would further bears to grunt and sweat under a weary life, but that the dread of something after that, the undiscovered country from whose bourne no traveller returns, puzzles the wills, and make us rather bear those ills we have than fly to others that we know not of. Thus conscience doth make cowards of us all, and thus the native hue of resolution is sickle or air with a pale cast of thought. Enterprises of great pitch and moment, with this regard, their current turns awry and lose the name of action.